In this video I'd like to show you how to unplug the control unit of automatic gearbox of a Mercedes B-Class. I know what you're thinking, what's so special about pulling a plug? The thing is, I've seen so many of these plugs broken because people don't know how to unplug it without damaging it, and that's what prompted me to do this video. All you need is a small flat screwdriver. Just push the clip, the red clip, until it's flush with your finger. You don't need to remove it, and you squeeze this part here. So far so good, but if you pull it, it won't come out. This is where you use the screwdriver. Just put it here and pry it gently outwards, and they will come out. If you try to pull it with your hand, it won't come out. The reason being, it has rubber seals in there to make it airtight. And as simple as that. To put it back, just push it and lock it. Now, where I got this gearbox, the guy was very nice that he didn't break the plug. Instead, he cut the wire. Obviously it's a breaker. Always remember, it's only easy if you know how.